Quesadillas are one of the few dinners that often survive the picky eater test. 2 main ingredients, 1 pan, 8 minutes, and enough flexibility that you can decide how simple or sneaky you want to make them. You will need 1 rotisserie chicken from the deli section, shredded cheddar cheese, large flour tortillas, butter, and anything you want to add, corn, black beans, or diced bell pepper can disappear inside the cheese if that works for your table. A rotisserie chicken at Fred Meyer or QFC runs about $8 and does 2 full meals for a family of 4. This batch costs under $10 total. Whether you keep it plain or add a little more color depends on how cautious your eaters are. Pull the rotisserie chicken apart by hand and shred the breast and thigh meat into pieces small enough for kids to eat without cutting. Shred or measure about 2 cups of cheddar. If you are adding vegetables, dice them small. Anything bigger than a corn kernel and picky eaters will notice. Lay everything out before the pan goes on. Set a large skillet over medium heat and add a thin layer of butter. Lay 1 flour tortilla flat in the pan. Scatter the chicken over 1/2 of the tortilla, then add a generous layer of cheese over the chicken. Fold the empty half over the filled half to make a half moon. Press gently with a spatula. Cook 2 to 3 minutes until the bottom is golden and the tortilla holds its fold without opening. Flip carefully and cook another 2 minutes on the second side. The cheese should be fully melted and the tortilla should feel crisp at the edges but not brittle. Repeat with remaining tortillas, adding a small amount of butter each time. Let the finished quesadillas rest for 60 seconds before cutting. The cheese needs a moment to set or it slides. Cut into halves or thirds with a pizza cutter or sharp knife. The pull on the cheese when you cut is the moment kids get excited. Stack them slightly overlapping on a flat plate so every piece shows the golden crust. Serve with sour cream, mild salsa, or guacamole on the side for dipping, all optional and all easy to skip for the most particular eaters. Keep it simple if that is what works, or treat the dips as a way to let kids choose how adventurous they want to be.